This video I'm going to show you how to create this exploded assembly view. It's part of the button maker project. It's the subassembly lower die. I'm going to start out by logging on to Autodesk 360 here. You're going to sign in. I'm already signed in. You're going to go to Projects and set your project to Button Maker 360 and verify that it's on the cloud, on the Autodesk 360 cloud. Select Done. I'm going to go ahead and open up my my assembly. The subassembly lower die. I'm going to look at my front view, verify that that is my front view. If it's not, you're going to want to select this context menu and set current view to front, and in your exploded assembly, your view is going to be this ISO view here. I'm going to create a new presentation. Create a view. Hit OK. You notice it comes in as the orientation that I had it with this the front and it's shown in ISO view. I'm going to go to my browser and open up my menu, and I'm going to select item 1, hold my control key, item 12, item 1, item 12, these 4 parts. A right mouse click here over these icons and tweak components, and I'm going to raise these up slightly. And hit close. Now I'm going to select just the sequence item number 1, control, and right mouse button, tweak components, and I'm going to raise these parts up and separate them from the hex nuts. Hit close. Next I'm going to select this washer here, item 11, hold my control key down and select item 15, right mouse button and tweak components, and I'm going to see them I have to move around. I'm going to tweak these up, I'm going to move them up and out, hit close. Now I'm going to select just the screw of the pair, hit escape, select just the screw, tweak component, and I could move just the screw out of the washer, hit close, hit escape. I'm going to select item 8, both of them, hit the control key, select both, right mouse button, tweak components. I'm going to bring these 2 parts down. And hit close. Go back to hit escape, and I'm going to go back to my ISO orientation. I'm going to go back to these 2 parts and move them down a little bit more. Select both parts, holding down the control key. Hit tweak components, and I'm going to move them down just a little bit so that they're visible from down below. Hit close. Now I'm going to select parts 6, holding down my control key, 7, and 18, and right mouse button, tweak components, and I'm going to move these parts up, kind of like right there. Hit close. Now I'm going to leave the spring down below, and I'm going to move up just these two parts. Control button, click, tweak components. Move these two parts up. Hit close. Now I'm going to move just the center. I'm going to tweak that and move that up. Hit close. Now I'm going to move items 27, 28, 29, and 26. Hold the Control key and select all four. A right mouse button, tweak components, and I'm going to go ahead and lift these parts up. Get them out of the way of the other components so that they're visible. Hit close. Now I'm going to leave the spring down below. Select the other parts, Control, tweak components. I'm going to raise them up. Close. Now I'm going to leave the spacer down below, spacing them all out. Tweak components. Close. Now I'm just going to choose the center. Tweak. Move it out of the way. Move it up. And close. And there's my exploded view. Now as the final step, I want to turn on my trails. Let me show you how you do that. I'm going to zoom in, and pick the parts that are on one axis. Pick the part that's furthest away. You don't need to add trails to all of them, only the one that's furthest away. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to, you notice that hide trails is checked on. I want to uncheck it so that the trails are not hidden. And you can see now that there's a line going from the parts to an axis to the mounting location. Going to this part, right click, hide trails, and so forth. You could do it to all. You don't want to add it to all four parts in the stack or all three parts. You just want to add it to the one that's furthest away. As a final step, you're going to want to save this exploded view, and you're going to use it to create an exploded view assembly drawing.